Kubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Katnat Division Forest Officer, Jaintia Hills Wildlife Division Jawai, Hakash Pautrik Urisao Kalapinkut no Ïaka Tayolek Min Wildlife Week, Ha District Library Auditorium Min Thong Jawai, Halor Kapang, Human Animal Coexistence. Haganigasi Laidon Lang ka MLA ka Sutnga Saipung kakong Santa Mary Shilla kum kakong San Katba u District and Session Judge West Jaintia Hills District Jawai u Nur An Khan ulalong kum usimbot pakong San Haganigasi katanat kalapan ko buram ru ida ka khusnam Wildlife Samaritan Award Shakiriyo Shimet bat kikinhon kibapanlat Ïaki Marat Klau hapo West Jaintia Hills District Shibenta jongkani kasi lapan longru ya kajing ko bapher kum ka drawing but painting na kabenta ki class 4 hado class 8 halor kapang living in harmony with wildlife kajing ko tho essay na kabenta ki class 9 hado class 10 halor kapang human animal coexistence but kajing ko extempore speech competition ya ki class 11 but class 12 ki wede ki blaidon langha kani kasi ki long uba record and pareng UMDC ka GHADC but u chairman ka Klo Blai ka Raj u Langdo Yonglang Community Reserve u Malaya Sagar IFS u Divisional ka Forest Jaintia Hills Territorial Division Forest Jawai ka Kong N Lalu IFS ka Divisional Forest Officer ka Jaintia Hills Wildlife Division Jawai Uba B Lingdo u MFS Divisional Forest Officer Social Forestry Division Jaintia Hills Jawai Uba S Lau Range Forest Officer Kajawai but Kyang Wildlife Range Uba B Japang UMFS Assistant Conservator of Forests Social Forestry Division Jaintia Hills Jawai Nalor Kiwe.
The people of East Jaintia Hills could be in Narpo area, could be the Sumer area, Clear area, the Batao area, all of them can come and then see what have you done and what you're doing to preserve the forest. It's very important to do the awareness program for our people. So, indeed, like our people still lack of lot of things. Ma you by pijan bocha chini sejuai cepok city rapsong tu but people not. They are educated, but our people there are still they have lots to learn. You by pijan atang khlomi. Katula kawa CUH June cultivation is also one problem in our state and also in our district also. That also need to be you need to be aware of all these things that we should preserve our forests because as everybody is saying the speakers earlier have said that it's very important to preserve our forests. Tengayu yo oklami pisibon gentian Takwa ongi pihini por wa iwi amlang hini. People we let us all contribute to the society, to the community and to nature especially.